Hi everyone, this is Felicia with FP Handmade, and I'm coming at you with video number 2 for my Christmas cards that I created this year to send out to family and friends. So let's get started. So what I used for Christmas card number 2, first up was the Spellbinders die set, and it's called Open House Pumpkin Topiary. So I kind of had in my mind that I wanted to use this little vase here for the design, and then I also used the kaleidoscope by Cuttlebug, this little cute embossing folder. It's kind of hard to see, but you'll see it on the card. And let's see, so on this design I made 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 4 by 5.5 cards in for this design. So let's see what it looks like. Let me know what you think. How about that one? So super simple. I really love this card. I totally enjoy simple designs as well as kind of complex die cutting, but this one I just loved it. I used the embossing folder that kind of looks like a sweater to me, and I used some Anna Griffin gold paper to cut out the vase and the background, and then some paper from my card stash. It's basil green paper. So I cut the Christmas tree using the my Cricut. So anytime when you're making a lot of cards and there's a way for you to use your Cricut, it makes it a lot easier. One of the things that I really like about the little vase is that it's kind of dimensional. I had an extra one here. Oh, here it is, that I can show you easily. So this is 3 pieces here in this section right there, and then the middle piece I put on some little some foam, so it would kind of pop up a little to give the dimension look. So once again, this is just super simple card. I just really love it, and let me know what you think below. Maybe I should have put a star up here, or I thought about that, or maybe some ornaments, but then when I looked at this, I just fell in love with it, and thought I would share it with a few family and friends. So let me know what you think below. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for video number 3 to show the 3rd card design, which I think was my most difficult one as far as putting it together. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye.